Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make French toast in a pan, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a pinch of cinnamon and a dash of salt to enhance the flavor. For the bread, grab 4 slices of day-old bread, ideally challah or brioche, cut to about 1 inch thick. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of butter or cooking oil ready for the pan. These simple items are all you need to begin this delicious journey. Now that we have our ingredients, let's create the perfect batter. Take a shallow dish, which is ideal for dipping, and whisk the 2 large eggs until they are thoroughly combined. Next, slowly pour in the 1/2 cup of milk and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing gently. Then, stir in that pinch of cinnamon and the dash of salt until everything is fully incorporated. Make sure your batter is smooth and free of any lumps. This ensures an even and delicious coating for your bread. With our batter ready, it's time to soak and cook our French toast. Carefully dip each slice of bread into the batter, allowing it to soak for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. The goal is for the bread to be fully saturated but not so soggy that it falls apart. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat until it's shimmering. Place your soaked bread in the hot pan and cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Your delicious French toast is now ready. For the absolute best taste, serve it immediately while it's still warm. There are so many wonderful ways to enjoy it. A classic drizzle of maple syrup or a light sprinkle of powdered sugar always hits the spot. For a fresh and vibrant addition, consider topping it with fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries. And if you're feeling indulgent, a dollop of whipped cream or a side of crispy bacon makes for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy your homemade French toast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.